Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Polkadot price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. This is the first time, of course, that we analyze Polkadot on this channel, and that is a special request, knowing that I'm interested in Polkadot as well. And there is a KGT version for it that we're gonna see it at the end, of course, of the analysis. So starting on the weekly chart, we are looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 toward the upside, finishing a wave 1 or a wave A. Meaning you are in an A, B, and a C, of course, a zigzag toward the upside, or in a 1, a 2, and then 3, 4, 5 for higher prices. In both case scenario, of course, after those two scenarios, you would like to see a corrective waves. In this corrective waves, as you can see, a very long wave A, or which it is, of course, a WXY, probably here, because, yeah, we have a very weird finished scenario, or it can be even 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, for a zigzag, and then 3 waves up for a wave B, and here, of course, finished truncated wave C. And that's why you see the line here, because we have a truncated wave C, meaning this did not finish, this impulse did not finish, of course, the wave 5 by reaching the all-time high, the all-time low, of course, for this wave 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Your wave 5 is shorter, of course, with a few dollars, meaning a truncation. Now, after a truncation, you would like to see a reversal. So truncation normally is a signal of a reversal. And this is exactly what we saw, a very massive move toward the upside, of course, for DOT. And then, of course, which is possibly a wave 1 here and the start of your wave C toward the upside. Meaning you are in an impulse probably 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 to finish this wave C at the 1-to-1 fib level at $129. Now this is of course a logarithmic fib levels. If we get the realistic or the linear one, it's gonna take of course the high exactly with higher with few dollars, of course, at $56. So it is very possible scenario, of course. However, for me, logarithmic still very as well possible, and it is, of course, not so far to get the same percentage movement from here to get it exactly at this scenario. And as you can see, already the wave 1 look very similar to the previous move. Meaning 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 is very, very possible to get the logarithmic fibs. Now, let's move to the daily chart. On the daily chart, of course, in this bullish scenario where we are looking at a finished wave C, sorry, your wave 2 should be here, and your wave B should be as well here in the truncated wave 5. Now we are looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and of course there is no 1, 2 here, by the way. It's 3 waves up, yeah. So this wave toward the upside has no explanation after this, right? Unless if it is a part of a bigger ABC. And therefore, of course, we're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, of course, for higher prices. This impulse is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for your wave 1, perfect. A, B, and a C for a wave 2 as well, perfect. But your wave 2 might not be finished yet, because if we are an impulse here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is your wave A. Then you have a correction, wave B, for this zigzag, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So probably still have, of course, time to reach the perfect fib levels for a wave 2. Meaning, if you have here a zigzag, if you take the 1-to-1 fib level for a zigzag, oh, oopsie. Yeah, so maybe we will not reach the 886 because it looks like very deep. If this has happened, of course, not invalidation of bullish possibility, but maybe invalidation of bullish 1-2. Yeah, if we reach the 886, meaning this can turn, if we touch the 886, can turn into a leading diagonal. Yeah, because this is a fib level for a wave 2 in leading diagonal. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, finishing wave 1, then 2, and then of course explosion toward the upside. However, let's see how this is gonna unfold. It is not necessarily to be zigzag, by the way, because of course, I mean, yeah, it looks like we have, let's go on the 4-hour chart, maybe we get more information. Here we go. So 1, 2, if that is a 1, 2, ABC or WXY, or 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, even it looks like three waves, to be honest. A, B, C, then of course, yeah, 5 waves down. But still, even if you have a wave A here as regular flat, it's still the same fib level, taken after this correction. So yeah, basically it is the same unless we finish here as kind of like ending diagonal. That of course would open the scenario for a shorter wave C, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And by the way, it looks even like almost finishing unless this transform in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in an ending diagonal would hit perfectly in the fib levels without reaching the 886, right? Everything is possible. So of course, these are the possibilities. Everything is there. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen, of course, if we get a lower prices. Now, if we take a look at the KGT for DOT, as you can see on the 1 hour chart, we have, of course, a buy signal from here, but of course it was still ranging, and this looks like contracting triangle somehow. But I think this was the last diagonal, ending diagonal after A, B, and a C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for ending diagonal ended truncated without taking the low of the wave 3. However, it was a signal already of a buy, and as you can see, the CVD lines start to move toward the downside while the price action is diverging from the CVD line. And now we got, of course, some CVDs. As you can see before with the bullish CVDs, we got with the price action divergence. So we saw a little bit higher prices. Now, if we get a little bit weaker signal, not so much weak, here we go. You got already a sell, right? With convergent with a price action as well and the bearish signal. Now, the good thing is that we got a stronger bullish signal again, which is in divergence with, of course, the price action almost. Well, yeah, we took the low almost. Yeah, not really nice. Weak signal. But yeah, we already know that we're moving. We need still, of course, to move a little bit lower. So yeah, a little bit lower, maybe hitting the 0.618 would be perfect. And we're gonna see what the reaction would be. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 waves down, continuation. This is your confirmation again. This pattern should repeat anywhere starting from here or anywhere in this area. Anywhere in this area you see this pattern and of course continuation toward the upside, this is a confirmation level for a bullish scenario. So basically we are bullish still, of course, until we break the 886, the possibilities start to get low. If we take even the low here, meaning of course, yeah, something else is unfolding, maybe still in a correction, but yeah, we might even at least again move toward the upside from here. And that because this is the ultimate low that you got, it is the strongest support here. And man, if it goes really to this price action, what is left for that? Yeah, so this is the strongest support here. So this is the idea. That was it for that. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.